If a plus b plus c is equal to 3 and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 3, we have to find the value of a, b and c. Now given a plus b plus c is equal to 3, let's square both the sides. This will be a plus b plus c whole square is equal to 3 square. This will be a square plus b square. The algebraic expression for a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab b plus 2bc plus 2ca. So we take 2 as common and write like this, is equal to 9. And given in the question a square plus b square plus c square is 3. So let's write the value 3 plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 9, or 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to 9 minus 3, or 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to 6. Let this be equation 1. Again given a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 3. If we multiply both sides by 2, it will be 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square is equal to 6. Let this be equation 2. So if we subtract equation 1 from equation 2, we can write 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca is equal to 6 minus 6. That will be 0. Or 2a square, we can write it as a square plus a square, 2b square as b square plus b square, 2c square as c square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca is equal to 0. Now if we take a square plus b square minus 2ab, then this is equal to a minus b whole square, we can write. Then plus again this a square plus c square minus 2ca is equal to a minus c whole square, plus this b square plus c square minus 2bc will be equal to b minus c whole square is equal to 0. That means a minus b whole square is equal to 0, a minus c whole square is equal to 0, or b minus c whole square is equal to 0. This gives a is equal to b, a is equal to c, and b is equal to c. Let this be 3, 4 and 5. So from equation 3, 4 and 5 we get a is equal to b is equal to c. Now we have in the question a plus b plus c is equal to 3. A is equal to b is equal to c. So we can write a plus a plus a is equal to 3, or 3a is equal to 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. A is equal to 1. And same we can find for values of b, that is equal to 1, and c is equal to 1. So this is the solution. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.